traded bullish for the day, hitting the highs at 36.59.60 levels. If you recall, few hours back, I have mentioned beyond 36.52, we can look forward to the first target at 36.58.60, which should offer a good resistance. While silver kept itself within a narrow zone, yes, it has failed to break below 41.20 levels, the key support zone yet. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, gold on the early charts, every time it shows you a rise, it retraces towards 20 period. Here also it is retraced. And this time you can see suddenly the bullishness has got diminished despite the moving averages are kept moving higher, but you can see the slope is getting changed. You can see this bullishness was stronger and now it is getting diminished here. Now look at the preceding few candles. What has happened in the last few candles? See, first observation here is prices just kissed 20 period. Remember earlier in the day I have mentioned 36.38.40 should offer a good resistance. What has happened? Prices just kissed 36.38 levels and tried to bounce back. Now second observation here is the lower highs which it is delivering, and thus I'll say till 36.58.60 it has got very good resistance, and it is to be treated bullish. If it trades beyond 36.60 levels, we can again initiate a buy. Yes, it is after the drop trying to recover here. I'll say the resistances are stronger on the upside. Moving averages are moving upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic rising, but look at MACD. Since the crossover, it has converged once and again trading with divergence. This is a slight bearish sign, as this crossover has come from slightly higher levels. This calls for a stronger pullback. The RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Look at on the 2-hour charts. Very important to note, higher lows are seen. Now, if you see gold trading below this zone, that is 36.47, 36.48, that is the point of time we can initiate a sell, and then expect again 36.38.40 first target zone, 36.30 the next. Only bearishness in gold today is below 36.30 levels, where we can expect it to in fact keep moving towards 36.20, 36.10, or in fact 3600. Till 3600 it has got greater support. Remember this consolidation, it may try to fall back within the zone, might get a support here. Even if it is bullish, it can try to retrace towards this zone. Stochastic placed comfortably at the top. The MACD, after a good rise, it is now crossing over for sell. This is a slight bearish sign. RSI staying overbought. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, see one greater swing candle, a pullback, lower highs. Current candle will decide the fate of gold here. Yes, once it trades below 36, 47, 48, you can take a sell, but I will say 36, 40, 38 first, 36, 30 the second, and then you can expect more bearishness if it trades below 36, 30 levels. Stochastic trying to cool down. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge, crossover for sell. RSI staying overbought here. On the 4-hour charts, when you see, look at the last few candles, rise, retracement, again a rise, lower highs, higher lows. Consolidation zone here, it has to come out of this zone, which means it is pretty important for gold to trade below 36.40, 36.38 levels, and then specifically below 36.30. You can say now the bears are back. Yes, price is trading with divergence from 20 period, calls for it to converge. What has happened here might get replicated again. Let's wait for this. Stochastic overbought, MACD is still in green, trying to converge, crossover for sell. RSI staying overbought. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, I have mentioned this since the breakout, since this breakout where price consolidated in a narrow zone and given a breakout. Since then, we have seen a very strong rise right from 33.50, 33.40 levels. We have seen now a move towards 36.60. Almost $300 of move is captured. Almost 10% hike is done. More than 10% is done. Now, can we expect a reversal here? Now, if you look at the move here, what has happened so far for the day? See, the preceding few candles, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. It has still got room for further upside. If you just see it trading in this zone, it has still got little room on the upside with 36.68, 66 zone. If at all gold trades beyond 36.60, expect 36.66, 68 as the first target zone. this is going to be the first prime resistance zone. Now this is the first target, this is the first entry point, and beyond this expect 3666, 68. If that is taken, expect 36, 78, 80, and then we are looking forward to a greater move towards 3710 very very soon, if not today. This could be a breakout move. Yes, if it trades beyond 36, 78, 80, this is a breakout move. It is going to stay bullish. Now see, for the day, if you look at preceding candle is a swing, current candle has taken the shape, possibly it might stay in green. Now if you look at the move here, what will happen if it trades now below 5330, 3630? Yes, it has still got room. What we can expect here, hit the higher lows of this channel. Higher lows of this channel means a movement towards 3600, or in fact lower is possible. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD extremely divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI extremely overbought here. So considering this, before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the 34th mentorship batch starting now, 15th of September. Register yourself now, reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And if you are just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for any of your queries. Now, since 3660 is little far, you can buy at 3656. Expect 3660 first. Then, see, this complete zone is a good resistance zone, as we have discussed earlier in the day. Beyond this, expect 36, 66, 68, and then expect 36, 78, 80. Beyond 36, 78, 80, it is going to lead all the way towards 3710. I do not see a move beyond 3710 today. I am not giving the levels beyond this. On the downside, but yes, beyond 3710, you can just keep trailing. It can in fact move towards 3730 or higher levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3647 levels. Expect 3640, 38. This is the first prime support zone. 3630, 28 as the next, 3620 as the third, and 3610 as the fourth. Below, see, till 3600, every $10 it has got a support. Keep this, in mind. Till 3600 it has got very very good support, and then the most important one is at 3580. Any drop below 3580 should lead it to 3550 and lower levels. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see the move here, rise, retracement, support, rise, retracement, support, again a rise. So possibly this could lead to the support zone here, which is right now placed at 40, 50, 40, 40 zone. There is a strong possibility to it, but right now what's happening, see, first of all, since this drop, price retraced, and yet remember earlier in the day I have mentioned 4120. So far it is yet to break below 4120, and again, if you see the higher price in silver below 4120, you can stay with the sells and then expect it to move towards 41 first target, 13 4075 next, and then 40 40 40 50 zone, the strongest one. If this is taken, expect 40, the next target zone. Right now I can see it is still taking the support and trying to bounce back. Let's see if it tries to trade beyond 4150, 4160, we have to stay bullish. Stochastic at bottom here. The MACD crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is staying flat. On the 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts. Yes, drop, retracement, drop here. Again taken the support from 20 period, price trying to bounce back. But I'll say till 4150, it's not yet a buy here. Beyond 4150, possibly we can expect a good rise. But till 4150, do not treat this as bullish. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD crossed over here at the top, trading with moderate bearishness, while RSI is staying flat. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation on the 3-hour charts, drop, retracement, drop, support here. I'll wait for it to stay below 4120, 41 zone, which will confirm the next move all the way towards 40, 80, 40, 50 levels. Right now, it is not showing any such move, but notice, if you recall, we have discussed this, that it is staying in the box, and so far I can see price is just trying to contain itself in the box, which means a move towards 40, 40, 40, 50 can be expected soon. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD again trying to cross over for sell. It is not yet crossed over, while the RSI stay flat here. Coming to 4 hour, On the 4-hour charts, you similar observation. Look at the preceding few candles have got a very good support at 41.20, and that is why recall few hours back I have mentioned you can just sell it 41.15, expect 41, 40, 75, 40, 50, 40, 40. And same levels are holding good for the US session as well. Remember how it has traded the rise, retracement, support from 20 period, rise, it could retrace here, but if it trades below 41, that is the point of time you can say that the bears are taking control. Stock ISIC has dropped, the MACD again crossed over for sell, slight bearish indication it is. RSI has dropped here. Coming to day, see on the daily charts, look at this flat base, and see most importantly look at the resistance it is getting at 41.50, 41.60. This is the zone it has to trade above in order to turn bullish today. What is happening, it has hit the highs, it is trying to take a U-turn, and higher lows means it has a potential to move towards 40.50, 40.40, and once this is taken you can say this is the time for bears to take over, expect $40 zone as the next target. Now see, every rise offsets with a good drop. Look at this rise. If you see this, it has shown a good rise, then a retracement, rise, retracement. Now here also minor rise and retracement, this is a bigger rise. Now if you connect the dots, you'll find this is largely staying in the box. So there is a possibility of a retracement, and this could be a sharper one, possibly with the inflation data. This one possibility I could not ignore, but right now I'll say there is no bearishness, there is no signs of bearishness, it is still staying bullish. Stock ISIC has cooled down, the MACD rising, RSI overbought. So considering this, what you can do, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 41.50, 41.60, or rather I'll say yes, you can stay above 41.50, expect 41.70, 75 as the first target zone and 42 as the next. If at all it trades beyond 42, expect 42.30 and 42.50 levels. I'm not expecting such a rise now. Let's wait. Let's wait if it delivers a breakout from here. While on the downside, sell at 41.20. When you see the higher price below 41.20, take a sell. Expect 41, 40, 75, 40, 50, 40, 40. This is the most critical zone for silver on the downside. Below this, expect 40 and then 39.50 levels very soon, if not today. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.